Picture this. It's Christmas Eve and you're at the dinner table with your family, ready to dive into that glorious Christmas roast. But you get a little too excited and suddenly find yourself with a piece of meat stuck in your throat. Such cases often need a quick removal by endoscopic intervention. Now, you might think this calls for a Christmas miracle, but fear not, because here comes the solution: the OTSG Xcavator. Where conventional instruments would have thrown in the towel long ago, this gadget doesn't mess around. Its conical design and blunt scoops allow for an easy insertion. With its enormous grasping volume, it tackles fibrous or stubborn food boluses, making removal simple and effective at the same time. In addition, the free working channel can be used for other instruments or for suction and irrigation. So, in the blink of an eye, the OTSG Xcavator turns the near Christmas catastrophe into a hilarious dinner table story, and you'll be back to savoring the delights of the season in no time.